So very good morning. Today's speaker of the talk, Dr. Rimpi Arora. So I welcome you, ma'am, and thank you that you have accepted our invitations. So just a briefing about the
Thank you,
talk
sir.
that Dr. Rimpi Arora, who is the alumni of ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. She is very dedicated in research and hardworking, and also she is having more than 20 research publications. Along with that, more than 25 awards, including some traveling awards to some abroad countries. And she's having more than 3 patents. So she's contributing dedicatedly toward the research. I thank you, madam, and I also welcome to IQAC ISF College of Pharmacy, the team who is conducting and continuously proceeding for the this type of lecture series. Dr. Siddharth Main and respected director sir, who are continuously blessing us to conduct such type of the lecture so that everybody can get the benefits. So today the topic of the talk is that how anybody after PG or PhD can become choose their career in the abroad, and what are the opportunities of the pharmacist in the abroad, how they can go for the they can qualify the test for the pharmacist. So Dr. Rimpi will discuss each and every aspect about that topic. So I welcome you all. So may I allow to Dr. Rimpi Arora that you can continue your talk. Hello, madam, my voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Should I
Okay,
start
ma'am.
my lecture? Uh,
Please, can
Before
you
going
share?
towards my,
You have shared your
yeah,
slides? Yes, yes. No, no slides are
yeah,
visible. Okay, ma'am.
okay, sir. And firstly, before going towards my lecture, I would like to say my thanks to Dr. Shamsher Singh for introducing me. And secondly, I would like to say thank you for IQAC committee for organizing such a type of lectures to explore every aspects of knowledge in pharmaceutical background as well as pharmaceutical research industry and different career opportunities in pharmaceutical sciences. Here I would like to pay my gratitude towards the principal sir, Dr. GD Gupta sir, and vice principal sir, Dr. Naran sir, for providing me such an opportunity. And beyond that, I would also express my great aptitude towards chairman sir, Shri Parveen Garg ji, for providing me such an facilities to become what I am today. And thank you from bottom of my heart. And with these words, I would like to start my lecture with the topic building an international career as a pharmacist, exploring opportunities beyond borders. And before going towards the lectures that are wholly and slowly based upon the steps to be taken to become a pharmacist, especially in USA, United States of America. And before discussing about the steps that are involved to become a pharmacist in USA and any other part of the globe, we all know about the roles of a pharmacist in abroad, that are most renowned profession in our healthcare committees like pharmacist, doctor, as well as nursing professions. But apart from that, the pharmacist having a topmost priority nowadays globally as a community pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, dispensary and clinical pharmacist, and industrial pharmacist. We all know about all these opportunities in a pharmacist, as a pharmacist in abroad. Here I am not talking about what are the opportunities, how means we can earn, and we can explore the different opportunities in there. Here I would like to discuss about the steps that could be followed to become a pharmacist abroad, especially in USA. So we all know about the USA, that is the highest paying country for the pharmacist professions, and that is approximately $45 per hour as a pharmacist intern. And a registered pharmacist can earn more than 45 and depend upon their experience, depend upon their skills, and depend upon the different fields in which they are involving, as like a community pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, dispensary pharmacist, and industrial pharmacist. And on an average, the registered pharmacist can earn $65 per hour. And before going towards the steps that are involved in to become a pharmacist, here are the contents to become a registered pharmacist. And before discussing about the steps that are involved to become a pharmacist, I would like to differentiate the role of a registered pharmacist and a general practitioner. Means generally we called as a doctor. Both doctor and pharmacist observe the patient from head to toe, but what are the different perspective of a doctor as well as the pharmacist? Both are comprehensively observe the patient, but the doctor can observe the patient from a diagnostic point of view, and the pharmacist observes the same patient from head to toe comprehensively from a therapeutic point of view. That's why the profession of a pharmacist is more renowned as compared to the other profession globally. And here I would like to discuss what are the step by step procedures or step by steps uh, contents that we should be followed to become a pharmacist, especially in the USA. And there are several different authorities, depend upon the region, depend upon the countries, that regulate the pharmacist profession. But in USA, these two bodies are regulating the profession of a pharmacist. One is concerning with the certification, and second is dealing with the paperwork, as well as you can say the examinations that have been conducted for a pharmacist profession. And the two bodies that are regulating the profession of a pharmacist, one is National Association of Board of Pharmacy, commonly known as NABP. And the second body that is regulating the examination, and you can say the examination body of the USA for pharmacist profession, that is American Boards of Pharmacy. And coming toward the steps, firstly, there is a journal check for your degree. You can say the certification credential, means if you are pursuing, or if you are if you had done your degree from any of the part, especially India, China, or any of the other country. And if you are going to become a registered pharmacist, particularly in USA, what kind of equivalency you have to follow, or you have to get from the USA board of authorities. So first step, that is the self check your degree. And what would be the criteria to get a registered pharmacist, especially in USA? From education point of view, you have to uh, possess your M Pharmacy as well as a PharmD degree. Means the B Pharm candidate are not eligible to become a registered pharmacist in USA. Apart from other countries, means Australia and Canada, you can get a registered pharmacy license with your B Pharmacy degree. But in America, means in USA, you have to pass your M Pharmacy degree as well as PharmD degree, means the 5-year graduate of pharmacy. After that, you have to means submit your all these documents, the qualifications documents, including your transcript, either through your mails as well as through your official uh, university link, as well as your official college or any other institute that is granting your pharmacy degree. After that, there is a ECE evaluation, means all the all educational documents are equivalent as per their qualification or as per their credentials. That is simply the equivalency of your degrees certificates. That is through, again, that is NABP, National Association Board of Pharmacy. And after when they feel or when they accept your education degrees are equivalent to our qualification, they will send your scorecard or report in the form of ECE, Educational Credential Evaluations Report. After that, you have to submit your all these documents along with this report, along with your passport and application fee to the NAB. Then there is a one certification that is issued by some of the other authorities. Then you have to pass examination. Then there is a language assessment criteria. Then you have to participate in a certain hours of internship. Then again there is an examination that is named as NAPLEX. After that, all these pharmaceutical evaluation, you have to pass your jurisprudence or law or guidelines or the ethics that have been followed for the policy or as the practice of a pharmacist in USA. That we have to pass that exams too. After that, you can you can uh, enroll for your registered pharmacist in USA. And these are all the contents of my topic, and we will discuss all these steps one by one. So the first step, that is the ECE evaluations, means if you are a MPharm as well as a PharmD, and you have your degree certificates along with you, you have to uh, do the registrations firstly on the website of National Associations Board of Pharmacy. And you have to create a login, e-profile login on this website. And before means for going towards the login, there are certain sub columns that you should follow: board of pharmacy or board of pharmacy staff, individual of business customers, college of pharmacy faculty. But you have to follow the individual services, and in individual services you have to follow the create individual e-profile link. After that, you have to send your, in step by one, step 1.1, you have to assess your degrees, or you can say the skill assessment or the credential assessment. After creating e-profile login, you can get these kind of option: pharmacist, pharmacist intern, pharmacist students, technician in training, and others, so on. And after creating your login ID, you have to send your means this is a profile ID generations, and submit all your official transcript of education and translational certificates. What do you mean by translational certificates? If any of the person who is having the degree certificates other than English language, they have to translate their certificates in English, because they can assess only the English language based official degrees as well as other documents. And you have to pay application fee approximately 100 USD, and certification evaluation fee, that is approximately 450 USD. And when the authorities, and the whole process will takes place approximately 85 days, depend upon your documents and your evaluation criteria, and depend upon your category as well: pharmacist, pharmacist intern, pharmacist students. And after that, you will get ECE report, that is educational credential evaluations report. And further moving towards the steps, after ECE report, you have to follow the first step that is required to become a pharmacist in USA, that is FPGEC certification, that is Foreign Pharmacy Graduate Equivalence Committee. For this, you have to again go go to the e-profile login, and you already have these your login ID, profile ID generations, And after ECE reports, you have to follow you have to submit a ECE reports, a tested application form of all ECE reports, along with your IELTS score or TOEFL score, and a certified photo ID proof like Aadhaar card in India. And you can submit any photo ID proof like your passport. Passport is must. Apart from passport, you can submit other certified photo ID like your driving license, and the registered pharmacy license from province and state, means in which your means in country in which you get your registered pharmacist license, you have to submit all that pharmacist license along with the approval document e-profile of candidate, means the e-profile candidate login proof, means the scan copy of your e-profile at the NABP site. And this whole process will valid for approximately 2 years durations. And meanwhile you can go for the step 1.2, that is the English proficiency modules after submitting your ECE credentials report. And you can go for English proficiency language test through either TOEFL as well as IELTS. And for TOEFLs they required particular marks out of 30 in reading 22, writing 24, listening 21, speaking 26. And for IELTS they are required 778 bands. And along with these IELTS as well as TOEFL scorecard, you have to submit your ECE report along with all these necessary documents to the NAB sites, and means submit at your e-profile logins. And after evaluations within the 85 days to 120 days, they will generate a scorecard or a report that is known as foreign pharmacy equivalence certifications report. After that you can go for the examination, means your certificates are valid as per their guidelines, your language accessibility are equivalent as per their ethics. After that you have to submit your uh, FPGEC report, foreign pharmacy equivalence certifications report, to the NAP sites to sit in the examination. That is the step 1.3, that is known as foreign pharmacy graduate equivalency examination. And this examination consists of total number of questions 200, and the time duration for this examination approximately 5.5 with the 1 hour optional break. And you can pursue this exam once in a year with the 2 consecutive attempts, means the time gap between 2 consequent attempts should be 45 days, means if you are appearing means 2 days for this exam, after 45, means after getting your result you can apply for the same exam after 45 days. And the examination fee for this examination, that is 650 USD for first attempt, and for further on attempts you have to pay again 650 USD. And what would be the domains for this examination? That is the basic biomedical sciences, that consist of approximately this much percentage of from the total of the marks or total of the questions number. Second domain that are emphasizing in this particular examination, pharmaceutical sciences, then the social behavior and administrative sciences, then clinical sciences. And you can download the syllabus for this exam by this particular site. And after getting or after passing this examination, you will get either successful or unsuccessful examination scorecard, that is equivalency examination report in the form of a scorecard as well as a successful or unsuccessful report card. And after getting this examinations reports, you have to get your step number 2 internship, that consists of total 1500 hours, varies from province to province. For example, if I am talking about New York, California, they have different criteria of hours. Means some of the province having 1000 hours criteria, and some of the province or states having 1500 hours criteria for passing their internship. And what are the areas where we can apply for internship? And that is the community and clinical setup, means a hospital pharmacy, community pharmacy. And before applying for your internship, you have a valid working visa. And after conducting the supervised internship of approximately 1500 hours, depend upon your state, you will get intern or a license. Or after getting this license, you have to follow the step number 3, that is the NAPLEX exam, that is commonly known as North American Pharmacy License examinations. And the NAPLEX examination only cover the pharmaceutical knowledge and skills, means your pharmacy knowledge from your degree, means your master degree or PharmD examination and skill. And in these examinations, most of the PharmD candidates having more score as compared to the master pharmacy, because the skills they get during their internship are more beneficial as compared to the master degree students. And how we can apply for NAPLEX examination? We again go for the NABP sites, e-profile login. And here there are a dashboard that one is for ECE evaluation, second for FP evaluation, foreign graduate examination or certification, and third number that is consists of NAPLEX examinations. And you have to apply for NAPLEX examination by filling the application form, and then giving the application fee, that is 100 USD, and examination fee for 75 USD. And the what are the question criteria for a NAPLEX examination? Again, it depends upon the province or state, means it can vary depend upon the states. 186 questions to 225 questions of approximately a duration of 6 hours with the 2 optional 10 minutes breaks, means you can get 10 minutes breaks. And what are the main focus of or subjects that are coming or that are covering under the NAPLEX examination? That are the clinical practice and case study based examination. And the students can do the maximum attempts for consecutive 5s with waiting period of 45 days. And you can do examination means you can reappear in this examination 3 times a year, because this examination conducted on 3 times in a year, as compared to the first examination that have been and that is conducted on a once in a year practice. And after getting your NAPLEX examination pass or successful, you will get a NAPLEX examination scorecard along with your reports, means either you are successful or not successful. And these are the areas from where the NAPLEX examination syllabus have been covered, that is the therapeutic outcomes, medicine preparations, healthcare information. And most of the areas that are means coming from therapeutic outcome, after that the medicine preparation, next one the healthcare information. And similarly you can get the syllabus for this examination from this website too. After clearing your NAPLEX examination, you have to upload your both of the scorecard along with the EC reports. And you can apply for multi-state pharmacy jurisprudence examination, and second one for California pharmacist jurisprudence examinations too. That is means after uploading your NAPLEX examination scorecard, you have to opt the option, either it is open for multi-state, as well as you have to follow or you have to opt only a single province or single state. Means if you are opting a multi-state, you can opt for multi-state pharmacy jurisprudence examination. And if you are going to opt a option, means a single option or single state option, you have to means opt a single means a province. And that is most commonly we opt for California. That's why they are having different kind of or different pattern, or you can say different domains for jurisprudence examination, depend upon the guidelines they are going to follow. Means except California having different guidelines, different law or different ethics to for a pharmacy practice, apart from other states like New York and other states of USA. And a multi-state pharmacy jurisprudence examination acceptable for all the state except California. And the questions consist of 120 in total, and the duration 2 hours without an optional break. And you can do, or you can apply for this examination maximum attempt 3 with the waiting period of 30 days. And for California pharmacist jurisprudence examination, the questions number consists of 90 in total, and the application for fee for both of these examination, and that is 100 USD, and the examination fee, that is 150 USD. And after all these examination, you have to upload the score of multi-state pharmacy jurisprudence examination as well as California pharmacist jurisprudence examination on your e-profile login or e-profile means that is your profile ID. And after that, you have to apply for registered pharmacist license, and within a period of uh, approximately 90 days, they will grant a registered pharmacist license. And after that, you can means continue your independence registered pharmacy license practice in any of the community setup, in any of the clinical setups, as per your requirements, as per your choice. And these are the overall cost for all these examination. For FPGEC certification come examination evaluation fee, that is application fee 100 USD, certification evaluation fee 450, examination fee 650 for first attempt. Next, for NAPLEX, application fee for 100 USD, followed by examination fee for 75 USD for first attempt. And for MPJE as well as CPJE, application fee for all these category, that is 100 USD, and followed by examination fee 150 USD. And in summary, we discussed about the various steps to become a registered pharmacist in a USA. Firstly, we have a 5-year degree, either in M.Pharm or PharmD form. And after that, we have to submit all these documents for ECE, educational credential evaluations. All these documents we have to submit on NABP after login or after creating your profile or e-profile login. Then you have to do for certifications for pharmacy graduate equivalence certifications. Then after, you have to follow the TOEFL or IELTS exam. Then you have to go for internship. Then you can go for NAPLEX examination and law examination, depend upon the states, and you will get the registered pharmacist license, and you can do the independence practice in USA. And whole this process approximately takes 2 to 3 years, depend upon your proficiency, depend upon your caliber, and depend your practice as well as skill. And for further queries, you can follow this email ID, that is rimpiarora63 at gmail.com. And if you have any query, any question, please welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. It was very good, wonderful lecture. So that I hope that the student get the benefits. And if there is any question from the student side, you are welcome. So you can apply from the India side for this type of the test? Madam, my voice is
Sir,
audible. Hello.
no, sir,
Is
your
there
voice
is
is not.
i- okay, okay, madam. Is there any center which is available in the India for applying or to give the test regarding this the test for the abroad pharmacist?
Yeah, sir, there are certain website, or you can say uh, certain YouTube channels, academically as well as elite expertise. So you can follow those uh, websites to get knowledge about all these examination. They are providing some kind of coaching, means for clearing all these examination in any part of the globe. Means
And second, is there
Australia,
any
Canada, as well as US.
and second, is there any consideration of the research paper or the patents? Likely they are beneficial if the
No, no, no.
student will have.
No,
No.
sir. For
Okay, so
getting
thank
your
you, madam. It was,
pharma,
yes, yes, yes. Please continue.
if you are become a registered pharmacist under the category of clinical pharmacist, then these kind of means publication get means you can get benefit from all these publication and patents. But before that, you will not having any kind of benefits regarding your publications and patents.
So it was wonderful lecture, ma'am, because you have discussed all the things that whether the B Farm student they are not eligible for the pharmacist in the US, and even though they must have master degree or they must do some PharmD like courses, which is having a tenure of a minimum of 5 years. So it was very wonderful. Secondly, you have discussed all the sites where the documentation can be applied if anybody want to become a pharmacist in the abroad countries. And even though the pharmacist eligibility from one country to another country it varies, so that's why your lecture, I hope that the all the faculty members who join from the pharmacology department and the research scholar of pharmacology, they have get the benefit of your lecture. I thank you for delivering such type of talk, and at the last I again thanks to you for accepting our invitation.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much,
ma'am.
sir. Thank you. Thank you.